Mesoamerica is a large area with a vast array of landscape. Our group decided to focus on the dwindling rainforest and coastal reefs, both being affected by human activity. Rainforests are rich in plants, animals, and important minerals within its soil. Sadly, these species are becoming endangered or extinct from threats such as mining, fires, agriculture, global climate change, deforestation, and oil drilling. Mining provides valuables that are able to be sold at high expenses. Land is cleared and blown away in order to reach into the rock. Whole mountains have been cleared away. Forest fires, either purposely set or by nature. Forest fires clear and destroy the many species, homes, and environments. They also cause air pollution. Agriculture deals with the taking of land to build profitable farms. Cultivating crops for food and income. Giant corporations use thousands of acres and are cut down for seasonal crops. Fish are also bred and harvested for human gain. Global climate change makes inadequate conditions for plant and animal life. The conditions kill off species that are unable to adapt to these changes in climate. Climate change are the overall uses of fossil fuels from car heating and electricity. Deforestation is the cutting down of trees for profit. This destroys habitat and plant and animal life. These trees are used in construction, lumber, and timber. Oil drilling is a highly needed process for gaining fossil fuels. These drills cause land and ocean pollution. Oil spills kill large amounts of fish and ground animals.
In Mesoamerica, nearly 2 million aquatic species alone are at risk, not to mention the severe decline in land animal species also. The Mesoamerican Barrier Reef is the second largest barrier reef in the world, expanding over 1,000 kilometers. The coral reefs that make up the entire ecosystem are being threatened by harmful climate change and oil drilling. Offshore oil drilling can cause damaging oil spills, such as the BP oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico on April 20, 2010. This oil spill released 170 million gallons into the ocean during mating season for many species. The oil traveled to the Mesoamerican reef and entered the coral, causing it to stop growing. The coral reef supports the entire ecosystem, providing shelter and nutrients for all its inhabitants, therefore depriving these species of their habitat as the coral dies. At this time, many organisms had laid their eggs or produced their offspring, which perished in the oil, causing a gap in the generation of these species. Coral reefs and their inhabitants can also be killed by drastic climate changes. Organizations like the Wildlife Conservation Society and the government of Belize have come together to ban overfishing in and around the coral reef. On land, species of monkeys such as the Mexican black howler monkey have been affected by the climate change, deforestation, forest fires, and agriculture. These monkeys have recently become endangered due to the loss of habitat, food sources, and disease. Deforestation, the leading cause of habitat loss, can create islands of forests isolating these monkeys. Howler monkeys are herbivores, consuming fruits and leaves. These isolated patches of the forest can create less foraging options as the fruit depletes. The monkeys must forage longer. This, along with climate change, raises the monkey's stress level, making them less likely to reproduce. The climate change can also bring more yellow fever-carrying mosquitoes. Monkeys are especially susceptible to yellow fever, causing an increase in disease-related deaths. Deforestation combined with forest fires are rapidly consuming the trees in which monkeys and frog species, like the dark frog, spend almost all of their lives. The trees are also used as a resting and hunting grounds for jaguars. Groups like the Forest Trust and the International Conservation Union are working hard to promote the conservation of these rainforests by holding international conferences and helping preserve parks and reserves. While mining valuable minerals, species of snakes, crabs, and many plants are destroyed to get to desired locations. These snakes and plant species, such as the maize and jicama, live in prime mining areas. The avatar moth, a newly discovered bug, is threatened by plans for a coal mine in its habitat, the New Zealand's Denniston Plateau. 40% of the rainforest has been cleared away already, and many species are endangered of extinction. Our goal is to save these species and create a healthier and safer environment for them to thrive in.
In order to reverse the negative effects of agricultural farming and fishing,